In the far reaches of our solar system, beyond Neptune's orbit, something unusual is happening. A mysterious force has been pushing around icy objects clustered in orbits that cannot be explained by the known planets alone. Scientists think this could be due to a new planet called Planet 9. Astronomers have been searching the outer solar system for signs of a theoretical ninth planet for almost a decade without success. However, experts believe we may finally be on the cusp of finding it. In the solar system's outer regions, a distant icy world might be waiting to be discovered. A new telescope will begin scanning the sky next year, potentially leading to the long awaited discovery of this mysterious planet. While the solar system currently has 8 recognized planets, astronomers have suggested that a ninth planet, known as Planet 9, could exist in the furthest reaches of our cosmic neighborhood. This hypothetical planet, distinct from Pluto, could be a gas or ice giant located billions of miles beyond the known planets. Its potential existence can reshape our understanding of the origin and development of the solar system. Scientists have predicted its size, distance from the Sun, and orbit. However, they have yet not been able to locate it. The search for this potential ninth planet could be resolved with the Vera 6 Rubin Observatory scheduled to open in 2025. Experts believe they may finally find Planet 9 within the next few years or conclusively rule out its existence. The idea of a ninth planet in our solar system came about after discovering Uranus in 1781 and Neptune in 1846, more than 3,000 years after the Babylonians first spotted the other planets. These discoveries hinted at the vastness of our solar system, leading to the intriguing possibility of more undiscovered worlds. Despite the initial classification of Pluto as the ninth planet, no other full fledged planets beyond Neptune or the Kuiper Belt have been located. As astronomers delved deeper into the solar system, it seemed increasingly unlikely that they have had missed a planet as large as what was being proposed. In 2004, scientists discovered Sedna, a potential dwarf planet beyond the Kuiper Belt. Sedna exhibited an unusual orbit around the Sun, indicating the presence of another large mass in the outer solar system, exerting gravitational influence on it. This hypothesis was difficult to prove due to a lack of information. In 2014, astronomers identified a smaller object in the Kuiper Belt named 2012 VP 113 with a similar strange orbit to Sedna's. This discovery suggested that more eccentric trans Neptunian objects are yet to be found. The discovery of a shared kink in the orbits of Sedna in 2012 VP 113 stimulated the curiosity of Caltech astronomers. Due to this intriguing irregularity, these objects appeared briefly dipping below the known planet's orbit plane. This suggested that some gravitational force, possibly formed an asteroid clump, a dwarf planet, or even a full fledged world, was influencing these distant objects. Even after the scientists realized that a ninth planet was possible, they decided to withhold their findings until they could come up with another, less controversial explanation. However, then they found four more TNOs with matching, misshaped orbits, which suddenly made a missing planet seem like the most logical explanation. At the time, the same scientists calculated that there was just a 2% chance that all six TNOs they had studied shared their orbital oddities thanks to random chance. So, in 2016, they published their Planet 9 hypothesis, which has captured the public's imagination ever since. Since 2016, the scientists have been actively searching for Planet 9. Although they have not yet found it, they have discovered even more eccentric TNOs, bringing the total to 13 and further strengthening the case for its presence. These discoveries also provide more information about Planet Nine's potential size, distance from the Sun, and orbital trajectory through the solar system. The proposed Planet 9 is predicted to be the fifth most massive planet in the solar system, smaller only than Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, and Uranus. According to Brown, Planet Nine's composition is likely similar to that of Neptune due to its distance from the Sun. He estimates that its diameter could be approximately 2 times wider than Earth. Additionally, some scientists have theorized that Planet 9 might be orbited by moons, resembling the gas giants in our solar system. Planet 9, if it exists, is estimated to be approximately 500 astronautical units away from the Sun on average. That means it is 500 times farther from the Sun than Earth. Although this sounds incredibly distant, similarly sized exoplanets have been found orbiting alien stars at comparable distances, demonstrating that such distances are feasible. At this distance, it could take between 5,000 and 10,000 years for Planet 9 to complete a single orbit around the Sun. Its orbit is likely highly elliptical, leading to significant variation in its distance from the Sun over time. Furthermore, it probably orbits on a different plane than the rest of the planets, which adds to the challenge of locating it. So, why haven't we spotted Planet 9 yet? The answer is simple. It is very, very, very far away. Additionally, the researchers initially had no idea where the planet was on its predicted orbital path. So they had to search a huge region of the sky to find it, similar to searching for a single white whale in an ocean. Researchers have analyzed thousands of images from various sky surveys along the proposed orbital path of Planet 9, searching for objects that exhibit movements over time. If Planet 9 is located at the furthest point in its orbit, a powerful telescope will be required to spot it. Scientists are currently analyzing data from Japan's Subaru telescope in Hawaii, which has a better chance of finding the planet than Pan stars. If this survey is unsuccessful, they plan to use the upcoming Vera C. Rubin Observatory in Chile, which is currently under construction. This ground based telescope, equipped with the world's largest digital camera, will allow researchers to peer further into the solar system than any previous telescopes, similar to how the James Webb Space Telescope has enabled researchers to look further across the observable universe than ever before. Although scientists are still divided over the existence of Planet 9, they all agree that actually finding the elusive world would likely be the most significant solar system discovery of the century.